Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I currently have COVID again. This is the second time in 6 months, but after chugging Pedialyte and a lot of Advil and resting for pretty much 3 days straight, I still feel like congested, and I actually this is the first time I have been able to put on makeup in a long time. But my FabFitFun box actually came the day I tested positive for COVID, so I just made sure to rest up in hopes that I could film today. I'm still positive, I'm feeling a lot better, but I'm definitely just exhausted, essentially. So let's go through our FabFitFun spring box for 2023 and also their 10-year anniversary box. And let me just tell you, I went a little hard on this box. I kind of went ham. There were so many incredible options that I just it's a packed box. So let me quickly go through with you what FabFitFun is in case you guys don't know. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service. It comes quarterly with every season: spring, fall, winter, summer. There are 2 plans you can get. You can get an annual plan or a seasonal plan, so you can either pay per season per box or pay annually. I personally do the annual plan. I did seasonal for about a year and I was like, I can save a little bit of money if I do annually, and also if you are annual you get to customize your box sooner and join add-ons sooner. There are a little bit of perks for annual members, so I upgraded to annual last year. There is customization for the box, so there are 6 choices and you get to customize your entire box essentially as an annual member, which is incredible. And also with customization, let's say in choice 1 there's 2 items I really want. You're able to choose one and then add the second one you want for an additional fee. So I'm pretty sure for choice 1 I added 2 extras and it was $15 extra per choice I made, which I think is a deal. And then obviously there's add-ons, which is a personal shop from FabFitFun with discounted items, and I did pick up a few add-ons. I'm actually using one which is super weird. I bought a plug because it had 3 regular outlets and then 3 USB outlets, and I've been using these newer lights and they use a little USB outlet, so I've been looking for one that had both just to make things so much easier when I film, and so FabFitFun delivered. So let us just get into the box. This is what the box looks like. It is cake themed because again it is their 10th anniversary, which is insane. I remember the first time I got FabFitFun, it was in 2014, so it must have been their 2nd year running, which is kind of wild. I came back to them about 2 years ago, and they truly have just gotten so much better since their original launch, and they just keep innovating and it's amazing. I love the subscription service. Let's just open her up. New to this box is I got rid of the magazine that I've been complaining about every box, and instead you can get it on your phone. It's honestly, I think, way more eco-friendly and also easier because I don't know, I do everything on my phone anyway. So I have everything in my box over here. I also have my add-ons on the bottom, so I'll be able to give you prices on things. So let's just go through. In the box this time they gave us a scratch off that I did not win, and you could win a prize valued at $10,000. I did not win, but that's okay. We did get a HelloFresh coupon. Usually we got 16 free meals. This one's just 75% off my first box. Okay, the first one, so I got 3 different items from choice 1. My original choice, which means this is one I chose without adding onto the box, is this. These are sunglasses from Kate Spade, and these are in the shade Samantha. These retail for $129 and they look like this. I did have a pair of Way sunglasses. Is it Way? It's the Australian eyeglass company in my cart from add-ons, but I asked for a suggestion which one do I get, because I think these are absolutely beautiful too. I don't own a nice pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses are the one thing that I lose all the time, so I figured why not, and this is what they look like on me. I dig. They're nice and deeply tinted. I have really light eyes, so the sun, it hurts when you look at it, and when it's really sunny, even with sunglasses, I squint. So this will be a really great protector for the sun. Again, these retailed for $129. There were so many great choices for choice one that like I couldn't pick just one. So the next item that I added on, so this was $15 additional to my the base box price that I paid for. This is from Fenty Skin. This is the Flash Nap Instant Revival Priming Eye Gel Cream and the Eye Massager. This retails for $42. I love Fenty Skin. I use their toner and their cleanser every single day, twice a day. I also really enjoy their body butter. Like, they have really stellar products, and I have been curious about this eye cream for a very, very, very long time. But I had been using like my favorite eye cream and I'm almost out of it, so this is a perfect time. It also comes with this little roller, so essentially you're just like gonna roll the eye cream underneath your eyes, and I'm really excited to see what it does. I've been dying to try this. Let me just try it. So that's the second item I got in my box. Again, that is $42 retail. For choice one, I also did pick up one more, so this was an additional $15 to my box as well, making the total additional for choice one for me $30, which I still think is like, what a deal. This is from Amika. These are the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. These two together retail for $52. I got these because I'm running out of the shampoo and conditioner. Wow, the IGK ones that we got in our box last season, and I really, really, really enjoy Amika. I had gotten them from this box, I'm pretty sure last year, and I had gotten the Cure shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like my skin just looked so incredible. It is weird, the weather now, and I feel like my hair could always use a little bit more moisture, so I bought these because I really enjoy the brand, and I thought, why not? The choice I picked for choice two surprised me because I've never been a person to buy like clothes from a subscription box, but I got this loungewear set which retails for $60 by NYDJ. It is a French Terry lounge set, and it's a pair of shorts and a tank top. They feel really, really nice. They're just like a little beige. They're pretty thin, which are gonna be perfect for the summer. So I just wanted a little set to wear around the apartment, you know, when it gets warmer, that I can just hang out and chill in. And so I thought, you know, why not? Let's make it a lounge set. I got the size small medium because that's typically what I fit into. Different brands I'm a small, different brands I'm a medium. I'm very, very, very excited to try this. Again, this retails for $60. Okay, I'm like so excited for this next choice. This was choice three, and I did add on a second choice to choice three because they had Pat McGrath lipsticks. Pat McGrath is like, as a makeup person, one of the brands I always have wanted to try, but it is so financially out of reach for me. Like, a palette of theirs is $129, which is just, I can't afford that on my salary. So I saw that they had two lipsticks. They have Softcore and Fembot. So I chose Softcore as my choice, meaning I did not pay extra for this. And then it was only $12 to add on Fembot. They look, my friend actually laughed at me. You guys know Elise on this channel. I told Elise that I was gonna get two lipsticks, and I showed her the shades, and she was like, Megan, they're barely different. And I was like, Elise, I know. So this is the shade Softcore, and it's a really pretty like mauve pink. I know I'm going to absolutely love this shade. And this is the shade Fembot, which I think is just really like a cooler tone. Yeah, this is just like a cooler tone to the last one. They come out a little bit brighter on camera than they look in person, but this is like a cool tone pink. They're two pink lipsticks. One's a more mauve, one's a more cool tone, a little dusty. I think they're beautiful. The packaging is really beautiful. This whole like thing where you have to like tie it up, I don't know, the whole experience. I'm so excited to try my first Pat McGrath products. I haven't even swatched these yet. This is my choice three, and again I added $12 extra, so the total that I added extra to this box via like choosing other things in choices was a total of $42, which I don't think is bad at all because I'm like so happy with the products I got. These both individually retail for $39 each. I got another Amika product. This is the Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. This retails for $32. This was really interesting to me. I am a girl who loves to do the most minimal things with her hair. I literally put in this like leave-in spray and just let my hair air dry because I'm so lazy. And I don't understand hair very well. You know, we've been on this hair care journey together, and this looked like a Megan Tobias friendly product. This is essentially an overnight treatment you can put on damp or dry hair from the mid-length to the end, which I know I just cut my hair a lot shorter, so from like this down, and it's supposed to intensely hydrate your hair for the next morning, and you will wake up looking fresh and revived. It comes in a really nice glass bottle. I don't know why that is so satisfying to me. Maybe because like glass is one of the only resources we can actually truly recycle. I love that about this, and I'm really excited to try it and hope that, like, you know, I've been struggling on my day 3 hair. My hairdresser told me I'm not allowed to wash my hair but every 4 days, and as someone who used to wash their hair every day or sometimes twice a day, which I know, like, cringy now, I've just been struggling with that routine, and I hope like seeing a more hydrated hair on my day 3 or 4 will help me like resist the urge to wash my hair. Again, that retails for $32. Is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Azer regenerative neck cream. This retails for $48. I didn't, you know, with choice 5 and 6, they're always like, I don't really know what I'm gonna get. It kind of is like my time to really try something new, because it's not usually brands I know or products I'm like immediately drawn to, but I do love skincare. And I hear the neck is like one of the places that you show aging first, and I do the thing where you like drag your skincare down your neck, but sometimes I like don't want to use my face moisturizer on my neck, so I thought this would be a great way to like moisturize my neck and keep it as healthy as I'm keeping my face, and try out this brand Earth Harbor. I did not lose my sense of smell, so I know this doesn't smell like anything really. Maybe like a very light floral, which is great. I don't love scented skincare products, so I'm very excited to add this into my nighttime skincare routine and hopefully see like a really nice moisturized neck. I don't know. Choice 6, I'm actually, girl, I say this every time. I've been trying to get into press-on nails because I'm so lazy. I'm like the laziest lazy girl, but I can never get them to fit my nails. I used to hold a pencil a really weird way, so these nails, this like, is that my ring finger? My ring finger nails, they're a little like crunched at the sides because I used to jam a pencil into them for like, you know, 20 years while I was writing in school every day. So I always get like really insecure that like the press-on nails don't fit my nails, but my friend Elise loves the Glamnetic nails. Everyone knows Elise by now. Elise loves Glamnetic nails. These retail for $19.99, and this is the shade The Style Creamer. So it looks like just like a French tip essentially that's like kind of smudged down, and I tried to put one on the other night just to like test it, and I'm like super nervous. It doesn't necessarily fit. I don't know how I'm supposed to do it. I'm gonna watch 6 YouTube videos before I do it, but again, this is something that like out of my comfort zone, something I wouldn't go out and purchase on my own, but I'm like really interested about. And another reason why I love FabFitFun is because I really get to just try everything or anything, a lounge set, like things that I wouldn't normally like go out of my way to try. And I found so many brands I love and so many products I love from FabFitFun that I just like, this box is so good. And that is everything I got in the box. The total for my box with everything that I added onto my box was $460.99. I am an annual member, so technically the box was like $54. I paid an extra $42, so I paid under $100 for all of the products here, which I think is incredible. The price of what I paid in extras is $42, like I said, which boosted the price of my box significantly. I also did get a few add-ons, and I'm just going to share them now. I told you about the one, I'll insert a little clip here, the extension cord I got. I know I'm an adult because extension cords make me really excited. So I got that extension cord that was $19 on add-ons. I also got from Briogeo this Farewell Fridge Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. I bought one of those like brushes that's also like like I'm so sorry, COVID brain, that like a hair dryer in one, and I really want to learn how to like do that to my hair. I bought it with a specific purpose of like, I'm gonna learn how to do this, I'm gonna learn how to do my hair this year. And then I gave away the heat protectant that I had. So I like needed a new one. So I bought this one from Briogeo. I do love the brand Briogeo, and this was $11 on add-ons, which is incredible. And the last thing I bought is from Wander Beauty, and it's a mascara. This is their upgraded lashes treatment mascara. This I purchased for $9. It doesn't retail for that. These all retail for more than I purchased them for. Add-ons, like I said, is a discount shop. I've tried Wander Beauty before. I've tried Wander Beauty mascaras before, and I really like Wander Beauty mascaras. I always will buy mascaras when they're on sale because you go through them like water. I wear mascara every single day of my life. I always have brows mascara and blush on my face. So I figured I will always use a mascara, and mascara prices are quite pricey nowadays. So I wanted to get it at a discount. So that is everything I got from my box this season. Truly, when they started revealing like the sneak peeks for this box, I just knew it was going to be like the best box ever. And I had expressed a lot of disappointment for last month's box, the winter box. I said all that, and then I again like used all the products I got in that box, and I like genuinely enjoyed using all the products I got in that box. I should stop complaining because truly, like, it's a really well curated box. This one's really well curated. The winter one was really well curated. I just expected different things when I think winter, and I have to get that out of my head. This is the best box I think I've ever gotten from them. And I've gotten them for 2 years on this one, and then I had them for half of a year in 2014. Truly, 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 they just keep getting better. And I think like this box specifically really thought out like what people would need for the spring. A lot of spring colors, the lounge set, the eyeglasses, the hydration for the hair, because when it gets dry outside, your hair gets dry. Like truly just what a beautifully curated box. This is my favorite box of FabFitFun. I'm so happy I got it. And I like literally was like checking every day for shipping to make sure it shipped, because I was just so excited to get my hands on these products, and I can't wait to put these lipsticks on my lips. And anyway, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 this box. So that is my unboxing for this season. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got FabFitFun, what choices did you pick? What were your favorite items? How do you feel about the curation of this box? Let me know all down below. I cannot wait to read all of your things, and subscribe if you want to. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.